Well guys, today is the day that we finally are going on our insane trip up north. Now, if you guys don't know exactly what I'm talking about, go watch the last video. I explained everything there of what me and Kyle are actually doing. And we're kind of freaking excited. So I've got the truck loaded up. I've got some random stuff. I brought the boosted board, my supermoto wheels and tires, luggage and everything you need, the pressure washer, obviously the pit bike, because we are making our way up to Minnesota to see the Seaboys. That is the end goal. And we're gonna be spending some time there, but we actually have a few stops in between, and the first one being Bristol. So this is gonna be the first of many videos on this trip. I'm going with Kyle and Luke, and guys, we are excited to show you guys what we do on our trip, and we're super excited to take you guys along. So we're gonna hop in the truck right now, head over to Kyle's, and see him when he gets back from the wedding. He's at a wedding right now. After that, we're gonna get all loaded up. We're gonna have some good times, guys, and I hope you guys are excited for some insane content that's gonna be happening over the next 2 weeks. I really can't believe it myself that we've dedicated this much time to YouTube, and it's all thanks to you guys. Kyle, are you ready?
Ready to go.
Yeah. Just about everything loaded up. We got the pit bike on the front. Thing's not going anywhere. We got the OG plastics on. We got Kyle's X3 all loaded up. We got my beautiful just built X3. This thing is gnarly. I know. And I'm excited to go ride this thing finally. It is actually already street legal. As you guys can see, there is a tag right there, and I'm excited. So go ahead and leave a like on this video. We're gonna go do some cool stuff. Today we are actually headed to the Cletus and Cars event up in Bristol, Tennessee. So I am so pumped. There's gonna be some cool creators there that we're hopefully gonna run into and I'm able to meet. So what we're gonna do is hop in the truck now, hit the road, and we'll see you guys in a little while. Lot C. Tell her we're going to Lot C.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. we got invited and like we're here, but like no one ever gave us like specific instructions on what to do when we got here. So this is what we're trying to figure out now. Dude, this is so sick. I haven't been to Bristol since Haley's last race, and it is so cool. Hey yo, we got HP Build over there. We got so many other YouTubers here today. Gonna be so sick. So we're gonna go find Taylor and we're gonna get in and we're gonna get into the pits, and we'll see you guys in a little while. Kyle, come on, bud.
I can't get it open.
Hey yo, finally made it. This is so sick. Oh my God, I love being back at Bristol. Bristol's one of my favorite tracks that we did through NASCAR this year. Dude, so Kyle's never seen this before. I've been here 3 times, so I know this track a little bit, but yeah, this bank is insane, and especially, you think these Crown Vics were loud at Freedom Factory? Yeah, they're leaving the
for the Crown Vic race?
Yeah, they're definitely leaving. But these banks are huge, and I'm so excited to watch the Crown Vics race on it, because I've only seen trucks race on it. Y'all, come here and look at this. Look out the burnouts that ruined the freaking concrete. Oh my God, that is insane. So it looks like someone already did burnouts yesterday. Oh my God, dude. They roasted them down though, I tell you that. This thing's dope. Oh, look at those tan seats though. They're ruined now, but those are sick. Cone guy! Look at the cone guy. So weird being here and not being a NASCAR thing. So we'll go see some interesting stuff, so I'm excited. I think we're gonna go take a look at the cars real quick, because we know a few people racing. Is that Chase Cooper? Chase Big Fan?
No.
Are they making some modifications today?
Dude, it's kind of hot out here.
truck race was sick, but it's over now, and they're about to do qualifying for the Crown Vic. So we're gonna see how everybody does. Hopefully Haley will do good in qualifying. She usually does pretty good. I think she's top 3 with Cletus. We'll see how she does today, and I'm excited to see the race go. He's top, let's go! Wait on you! It looks like it's actually hard to like stay on the bottom here. All right, it's about to go down. Let's get the racing. I'm just saying that for when she pops, when she wrecks or something does happen, it's gonna be a Tulsa 2.0. God almighty, huge wreck apparently just happened. Haley got caught in the crossfire. Dang. Dude, they're all
Larry
down.
Chang got wrecked.
God almighty. Jeez. The whole seat is torn. She slammed so hard. Look at this. So Haley's out now. Kyle, what'd you think? It was a bad wreck.
Haley had a bad wreck, and pretty much all of our other friends, their cars blew up or they got wrecked out. So we got Brad left. Brad's on his original front tires, so he's got 8 more laps to go. He might win.
He might do it. So hopefully at North Carolina.
It's gonna be soon though.
Yeah, it's in the lead right now, as you have to see. But it's been a good race. Haley went home already, so I think we're just gonna watch out the end of the race and see what happens next. Come on, Brad. Get out, buddy. Take your Let's go, Brad. Good job. Good,
boys.
Good shit, man.
Now let's
Good
hope
shit.
she makes it home all the way to Mooresville, taking this bad boy home right now.
Hell yeah.
Check the right front. Check the right front.
Dude, it's getting changed.
We'll see you, bud. Okay, we made it to. Oh my God. Good morning, Kyle.
Come on, man.
Oh,
Almost noon.
we're foggy. Yeah, it's almost noon. We just did the first night of our Holiday Inn Express. We're getting on the road. We are headed to Wildcat Off-Road Park in Kentucky. Headed up to Kentucky today. We don't realize that we have a lot of time before we have to go to Devon's. We're just making our way slowly. We're gonna go exploring. We're gonna go, oh my God, Kyle, why is my side-by-side so far off the
But this morning I was backing up when we got here. I walked down, I was like, huh, that's like a 15-foot drop right there.
Oh, it's way deeper than I thought.
Yeah, that's just the top of the bushes. We're taller than the roof of the Wendy's right here.
Got it. Let's go off-roading today. It's gonna be, this is still the first video. I think I'm just gonna, go along as my days go along, so stay tuned. Guys, we are just now pulling up to the first riding park of the trip so far. We've been driving for about 2.5 hours. We got stuck in some pretty bad traffic. Pulled over, got some good drone shots, but we're gonna go and see about this first park in Kentucky. I think we're in Kentucky, Kyle.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, we're gonna unload the truck and trailer, get to riding. All right, guys, we got them all unloaded. Kyle, you ready to rip?
I'm ready to ride.
I am looking forward to the first ride on the trip. I'm kind of excited, so we're gonna pop on the helmets and get to riding. Let's go. All right, here we go. First freaking ride. Woo, I'm excited. This would be a fun freaking day. Get all our temps displayed right here. Start our trip over. This is our first ride of the freaking trip, so I'm excited. This park's pretty hyped up. These rock sliders, I actually was on a night ride the last weekend, and the rock sliders saved it, saved the car pretty well. So they're doing their job. S3. Huge shout out to them again for them providing those rock sliders and the radius rods too. This should be a really fun trip. Kentucky, I've never ridden in Kentucky before. It's gonna be a lot of firsts for this trip for sure. And it's gonna be Kyle's first time going up to the Seaboys whenever we get up there. It'll be super sick. Here we go, I guess. Oh, I'm kind of excited. Where are we going? Oh, there's some side-by-sides. Oh man, it's freaking rocky. I haven't ridden on these 32s yet, just on the street. So we'll see how they grab today. Oh my gosh. See how long these mirrors last too, because they're pretty wide. These trails are pretty tight. All right, first big hill climb. Oh, not even bad for this thing, man. Oh, this is cool. Yo, this is sick. Yeah, what is North Carolina riding, dude? Oh, it's kind of cool little trail down here. All right, this ride is so much smoother now that I let air pressure out of my tires. Goodness gracious. Oh, it's a little muddy. Yeah, these trails are so much different than North Carolina trails. North Carolina trails are pretty fast, pretty flat. Doesn't have a lot of altitude changes where, I mean, we're going up and down a mountain right now. It's pretty freaking cool. Had a ton of fun yesterday at Bristol. I had a lot of fun meeting some bigger YouTubers that I've watched growing up. I got to meet Roman Atwood, talked to him a few times, so that was really special to me. And as you guys heard in the last video, I do want to, you know, bring you guys along for some inspiring stuff. So finally some speed. This is what we like. Oh, here we go. Yo, these trails are sick. Look at all this. Super muddy down there, but oh my gosh, that's freaking huge. I'm just amazed right now. Oh, that is sick. Oh my god. Dude, this is nuts. Every time we like stop to slow down to like, you like we're looking around or something, I was taking pictures. I was like, dude, this is so sick. Dude, we ain't got nothing like this in our town. Yeah, no, this is rad. We got to keep moving, but god, this is so cool. Oh, yo, what's down there? That's pretty sick. Oh my gosh. It's nuts. Oh my gosh. Dude, these cliffs are insane. There we go. Woo, got some air right there. We're gonna go up to a really cool overlook, apparently. Kind of stoked for it. All right, here we go. Oh god, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. This is insane. Dang. Oh my quality. Dude, look at this. This is insane. Look at the places these things can bring you. That's so amazing to me. That was freaking cool. We got some dope pictures up on the ledge over there. Woo! That was pretty sketchy. There we go. Yo, this is kind of sick. Oh, I like this area a lot. Look at all this hill climbs. Oh my gosh. All right, so we came around to the other side. We're gonna see what this side has to offer. The other side was pretty cool. The Jurassic Park loop was pretty sick, and so was the overlook. So we'll see. Hopefully we'll find some cool stuff on this side as well. Yeah, we're moving. Let's go. If you have enough money to go big, get the freaking Smart Shocks. Oh my gosh. Dude, nah. Ain't happening. I'm running soft all the rest of the time here. Luke's the hungriest guy I know. Put all my shocks to comfort mode. Hopefully it helps a little bit. And we let more air into the tires. I was just gonna go ahead and address some comments. They're like, why are you guys not hitting any hill climbs and like stuff like that? But like, we have a whole 2 weeks we gotta keep these things solid for.
I'm not even bothering hitting hill climbs.
Yeah. I just like exploring. This is such a cool park though. But yeah, guys, that's really the reason we're going up to Sea Boys. We want these things to last until Sea Boys. We're just kind of bopping around right now, having a lot of fun, just exploring and stuff like that. So, you guys are just wondering before you guys make any comments about it. You guys, let me know what you think of the half windshield. I mean, if I need to clean it at any time, and I can do that, or I can mount my GoPro up higher if that would help as well. Just guys, let me know what you guys think. I like this angle. I don't think it's too bad. But if I need to mount it up higher, just let me know in the comments. Ooh, nope, not doing that. Oh, that's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Oh my gosh. Do you want me to free spool it? All right. There you go. Oh, felt great. Oh, that felt good. God, I guess that's why we buy those rock sliders, huh? God, almighty. Tree kickers and rock sliders coming in handy. Friggin' S3 keeping my machine protected, man. Thing's gonna be beat up by the time we get to Sea Boys. That felt great.
I know you're cringing about that.
Oh, it hurt so bad.
Broke the rock.
Yo, what? Holy crap. That's kind of cool. We made it. It is so rough in this car. That's probably the next mod I'm going to be doing is some shock therapy. Let old girl cool down. We'll give her a quick bath. Just get all this hard mud off of her. Goodness gracious, that was so much fun. Pick you guys up down by the truck once we get this thing all pretty cleaned off. And just like that, guys, we are done riding for the day, but we are gonna pack it up, head on to the next park and the next town over. So if you guys would leave a like, leave a comment. If you guys are ready for the Seaboys collab in a few videos, you gotta stay tuned.
Subscribe. Thank you.